welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of our Penetanguishene vlog. So you can go and check out part 1. That was the Christmas celebration. This is part 2, and if you are new, welcome. We appreciate you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We are so blessed to have you on the MDTD vlogs. All right, if you're a regular subscriber, big up yourself. All right, so I'll just give you a tour of the history of the park here in Penetanguishene. All right, so just stay tuned. We have a lake over there. This one here.
Yes.
Okay, the Métis. Okay. Right, they're from the Métis. Yeah. Okay. Right, so that's just a bit of the history. Right, very steep, very rich in the First Nation history, First Nation people. And I was reading something that Penetanguishene also is it originates from the Algonquin tribe, right? Yeah.
Three sisters. So. Three sisters, I think, I don't remember that there are that big statue down here as well.
Right, it says in early 1600 the shores of Penetanguishene were the land of the Haroon Wadat Confederacy. The Haroon Wadat were a nation of farmers, hunters and traders who live in large communal groups of up to 2,000 people in several longhouses. Wow. This is amazing. These were a matrilineal society who traced their descent and inheritance through the female line. The women were responsible for the majority of the farming, which sustained the people as they grew three quarters of their food by 1615. The Haroon Wendat had forged a formal trade alliance with the French and befriended Champlain. The Haroon Wendat society would undergo profound change as a result of this relationship. Today, the Haroon Wendat live in Wendark near Quebec City. Wow. Right, and you can see also the French version of it. Yeah. Yeah.
So this guy. The French and the Indian, there's a lot of history. This town,
Yeah.
is really rich in history.
Let's check out the view. That's like on the waterfront or the lake. This is nice, eh?
This summer down here, really nice. Green and lush and you sit on a tree and just relax in the evening.
Yeah.
Walk up down here, watch the sunset.
Right.
Just relax. Oh, they pick up the thing as well. Yeah, they usually have this big platform thing that you walk out in the water.
Like a deck.
Yeah, like a deck, and you can play domino and you can just relax. You can go fishing on it.
Right.
I was hoping that it's still here, but you can't do it.
Because of the winter.
Yeah. Because soon it's water. This now, I was reading up because I was reading up on this. This is basically French and the Indian, farm. All of this have some representation in terms of when they form the alliance to work together.
Oh, okay.
If you notice the three sisters again, you see them? Corn, sister.
Oh, Mother Corn. Okay,
Yes,
I've read about her
Yeah, man,
in
sister.
sociology. Very, very
Yeah.
thing there.
So one is sister corn, sister squash, and the other one holding what's that? One is holding corn, sister squash, and I don't remember. Sister bean.
Oh, okay.
Bean.
Yeah, Mother Corn would be very significant to the First Nations people.
Right.
Yes.
So,
Because there's a backstory behind that. It's yeah, I think where she. Let me not give any false information. Guys, that's a view of the lake. Just check it out over there. All around, as you can see.
the meeting statue is a celebration of two people, right? As you can see up there, two faiths and two distinct cultures coming together 400 years ago. In 1615, Chef Anon of the Huron Wendat presents a wampum belt, which is that big belt there, right? A symbolic gesture of friendship. Represented are the three sisters, the spiritual providers of what sustains their people: Sister Corn, Sister Bean, and Sister Squash. Beneath Champlain lie the symbol of the French emerging from their ship. The ancient symbol of fleur-de-lis. Also included are the Christian symbols of God, represented in three parts: the Father by the hand, the Son, Jesus by the fish, and the Holy Spirit, the dove. Right? A river of maple leaves continually flows throughout the sculpture, symbolic of our shared nation and Huron Wendat belief that all meetings never end. Right? That's why the bell just continues.
Okay, it's a continuous belt.
Symbolic in itself of the two cultures embracing the shores of Georgian Bay. And listen to this. And their woven history to the area. Listen to this. The artists captured the 400 years of history by using 400 leaves. All of those leaves on it? 400 leaves throughout the piece. By the sculpture.
Wow.
So the 400 years ago, they used 400 leaves. So if you go and count all of those leaves,
Right.
you should get about 400.
Right. So there you have it, the Trinitarian representative, right? The Son, the fish, the Father, the hand, and the Holy Spirit, the dove. And if you can see the maple leaves, the imprint of the maple leaves, 400 maple leaves signifying the 400 years. And these three images represent three sisters, very significant for the First Nation people. Wow, this is some rich history, man. Yeah.
Stuff, man.
Here you have it. Central North Correctional Center, Ontario. Alright guys, so this is the Correctional Center, Penetanguishene. Let's see if you can see. Let me see if I can get a shot, because I don't want to go too near, I don't want to get incarcerated. See, it's a bit foggy this morning, but this is the Penile Correctional Center.
Advancing understanding improves lives. Right, so that's the
Mental health care.
Yeah, that's what they do here. People without mental health challenges.
It's a bit foggy.
Huge place, whole premises, big. Massive.
It's also part of the Waypoint Mental Health Care Facility.
So, closer again. That's a big facility.
In any case, guys, the fog, we'll take the fog over the snow. Any day.
This is where they're located.
So this is like the flour mill. 5 Roses. What you're looking at now is the port, and remember I showed you the flour mill, 5 Roses flour mill. That building over there, and I'm showing you. You can come here if you want a tour. Penetanguishene ticket office there. This is really beautiful. Look at that. This is for the adventure tour. Canada is a beautiful place, and beautiful, it's big. All the way around, just check it out. Beautiful, guys. Hip strip in Midland.
Yeah, Midland.
In Midland, yeah. Nice view. So like at night, is it lively or
Yeah, man. In the Halloween. Depends on what is happening. So like maybe on a Friday evening, yeah, it's very busy. Friday, Saturday. Saturday evening, can get really busy, right? And from time to time they have festival like they have Butter Tart Festival, all kind of festival. And this is usually one of the main places where sometimes police barricade off the roads because there's a lot of music and a lot of whatever.
Okay.
They don't have a parade on the side.
Mm-hmm.
Like, what if I don't have a parade? IG Wealth Management.
That's the library, Midland.
Cultural center. Them overlook the lake, right? But you can't see the lake because it's so foggy.
Yeah, it's very foggy now.
Yeah. When you see the house, then you see them different.
Yeah.
Yeah, so them look more like, you know, Florida houses. Short, stucco.
Mm-hmm.
They're different. They're different.
So this is the rich area.
Yeah, I would think so. Yeah, that's not cheap down here, man. Nice high-rise condo down the other side, but the side here, I want to show you the street. They make some combat vehicle up here.
Okay.
I'm manufacturing here straight.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I'll pass on that side. So this is Aberdeen Boulevard. So you don't live in Aberdeen. But I almost never ask somebody how much money they pay for the house or anything like that. But I just know so because I'm overlook the bay and all of that and how the house them design, how them, you know, I just know it's enough money.
Right.
It's pretty much pretty expensive on this side. That's no question. But it's a what I see, man. Everything is just different about Aberdeen.
Right.
They have nicer homes. So I have a candle like that now. I carry some present. Especially in the summer.
It's foggy, guys. But the view is still nice, though. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is an exit that can come up. All of them get to the waterfront, you know. But the company I was telling you about coming up, you'll see. I looked them up online and that was all that understand.
So over here is where they make the combat vehicle for war.
From time to time, there are a couple of them park out front, or maybe because it's winter now. Right, inside. You know, so to the right of the where the park.
Oh, okay.
So in the winter, in the summer, busy. Because they have all kind of boat and all kind of things down the side. And I think they have a small cruise ship coming or something. I'm going to say,
Okay. This is another harbor.
Yeah.
So you see, I show one. This is Midland. You can see that's a boat over there. Yeah.
That's all I bought on the smaller boats. They use it cruise to the islands.
Okay. So I guess if you want to get a tour of the Georgian Bay, right? You just come and book a tour. And how many islands they say they have again, boy? How many islands they say the Georgian Bay have?
Yeah, I think they have a tour that says tour the 100 islands of Georgian Bay.
Oh, 1,000 Island.
1,000?
No, 1,000. Okay, 100.
100 islands. I
Oh,
think.
okay. Different
Yeah.
from Thousand Island. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I know of. I know of that one, 100 islands.
Okay.
Yeah. So you go on that thing and then carry, I guess, tour the Georgian Bay and show you the different islands and stuff.
That's the dock.
They put on the storage here. Some of the bigger ones in the marina. They do storage.
So there you have it, guys, the beautiful Penetanguishene. Even though it seemed far from the hustle and the bustle of the big cities, it's a relatively nice area. Or shouldn't I use the word? Should I use the word relatively? Nice area, right?
Nice one, nice, quiet, relaxing. You know, you can still, you have jobs.
Great for families.
Yeah, great. Yeah, nice for families. Let's see.
Guys, we're here at Tinnell's Patty. It's Jamaican patty. So if you're ever in the Ontario region, Tinnell Patty is a good choice. Close to the Jamaican juicy beef, tasty that we know. Not the same thing, but pretty close. Tinnell's is a good option. Yes, guys, so these are just some of the high-rise building in Toronto. It's beautiful. Let's look at that. The place is a little bit cloudy, so the video might be a little bit foggy. It's not the camera, it's the fog on the outside. It's really foggy today. As you can see, there's a lineup of traffic going in. But we have had a good celebration. Good time with family. The fellowship was good. We appreciate everything. The food was good, so that's it. It's back to terra firma, back to earth. So stay tuned until the next video. All right, God bless you, and please remember to subscribe, like, and also share it with your friends. This is how we're going to grow. All right, please tell your friend to tell their friend or friends and ask them to subscribe. I am counting on you. I'm depending on you. Please help me to grow. God bless you. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.